Hey everyone, today I'll be going over this actually wonderful piece here, and this is going to be actually really helpful, especially since recently the flu has been going around. CDC has declared that it's been a pretty strong flu going all throughout the US. There's been several deaths and things like that. So I wonder, before I do a review on this, just want you guys to know that this is not a medical opinion. This is just a personal opinion of Theraflu that you see in front of us. It's a medicine that I've taken. I've pretty much sworn by. Anytime I kind of feel a little sick, I always kind of just take this ahead of time, and more often than not, it usually helps. All right, so you're usually gonna have for Theraflu, gonna have actually about three different versions. One is the one that I have here. It's the Theraflu multi-symptom severe cold. There's another one that's a severe cold and cough, and there's a nighttime one. I'm not exactly sure about the difference between the severe cold and cough and the multi-symptom one. I'm assuming multi-symptom one just kind of knocks everything out, kind of anything you possibly have. But the difference between the first two and the nighttime one actually has, I forgot about the actual medicine that's in it, but it's sort of like Benadryl that helps you sleep. So if you do get the nighttime one, just be careful, be aware that it will put you to sleep. So let's just kind of go into it right now. One of the main active ingredients in Theraflu. Oh, and these actually come in a lot of different flavors to kind of suit your needs. So one of the main, pretty much, here we go. So the main ingredient that's in this is acetaminophen. This is going to have 500 milligrams in it. This is pretty much, as you see here, the purpose is a pain reliever / fever reducer. Then the other two are going to be, I'm going to pronounce this thing right, dextroaminophorephan and phenylephrine. Pretty much the last two I personally haven't had any specific experience with, but acetaminophen is going to be pretty much the main ingredient that's going to help you feel better. A lot of times when you have body aches, that's what really helps. So pretty much right here tells you the use is temporarily relieves the symptoms due to a cold, minor aches and pains, minor sore throat, headaches, nasal congestion, cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation, and temporarily reduces fever. So from personal experience, never taken these if I had necessarily sore throat. Never had any use for that. I usually just take it whenever I feel a body ache, and it kind of just helps to go away. For sore throat, I usually just have my own home remedies. One of the main things you have to be careful with this is that, as you see there, the liver warning. Product contains acetaminophen. Severe liver damage may occur if you take more than 4,000 milligrams of it in 24 hours. With other drugs containing acetaminophen and 3 or more alcoholic drinks using this product. So as you can see here, one pack is going to have 500. So it's within 24 hours. So if it's 500 milligrams in one packet and they tell you not to take more than 4,000 within 24 hours, that's basically 8 packets. At which point, from my experience, if you need to take 8 packets, you're probably going to have bigger issues. I usually personally take about 1 or 2. Usually one in the morning, one at night, and then one the next day, and the symptoms that I have usually go away after that, because I usually like to take this well in advance. So then that way, as soon as I feel something, I take it, and then we're pretty much good to go. It's going to also have an allergy alert here. May cause skin reactions. There's like skin reddening, blisters, rash, and things like that. Honestly, I never experienced that. If you have an allergy to that, you probably should consult your doctor. Like I said, this is not a medical opinion. This is just a personal opinion. Again, the other thing is also sore throat. If sore throat is severe, persists more than 12 hours, see a doctor. It's not going to be any, if you use this for kids under 12 years old, you probably need to see your doctor for that. And it kind of just also tells you about other warnings on it. Pretty much at this point, just kind of be aware. If you take a lot of other medications, be aware of the ingredients that are in them, and then you can kind of combine everything and make sure that everything's safe. Obviously, you always want to consult your doctor if you're not sure about that. It's always best to be safe about that. What's nice is that the expiration date is, as you can tell, well in advance, so you can kind of just stock up on these if there's ever a sale. And in the back here, basically just make sure to keep this out of children. Pretty much just kind of, to take it responsibly. If you're a parent, you're going to want to make sure that you administer it to children and not let them do it themselves. The dosage here, just one packet. Pretty much one packet, and it's going to tell you, please take every 4 hours. If symptoms persist, don't take more than 6 packets in 24 hours. So remember, we said that no more than 4,000 milligrams in 24 hours. This actually that actually would equate to 8 packets. So this is actually 6 packets that they tell you. So at one point, again, if you're taking more than that, you probably need to see your doctor. And then you just pretty much put it in some hot water, and that's what it pretty much looks like. All right, guys, take care of yourselves, be safe, and if you feel sickly, try Theraflu out. Thanks.